What's up guys, Wilson here, and for this vlog we have a fun project that we're about to begin, which is for this, a brand new Macan EV Turbo. Now for those of you who've seen our recent videos, you know that I just picked up my Macan 4 EV and I thought it was nice to just have them side by side for the beginning of this video. So for this project, for this car, what we'll be doing is a full body custom installed ClearGuard Alpha G2 PPF installation, protecting all of the gorgeous blue paint and black gloss panels on this car. This color is frozen blue metallic and it looks absolutely gorgeous for this car, which is more reason to have it protected. After the PPF is completed, we will be ceramic coating everything on here, including wheels and calipers, and tinting the windows with Spectra Photosync IRD, the highest heat blocking window film in this industry. So we're gonna get this entire process started, and at the very end, I'll show you the final results. Alright guys, this project is finally completed. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to take you on a walk around to show you some close-up shots of the finished work. And let's start with the window tint. What we did for this owner is Spectra Photosync IRD, the exclusive window tint that we use here at Premier. What this owner chose is IRD 55% for the front two windows and 70% for the front windshield. This is a really nice mid-tone shade. Many choose this when they want to stay light, either this or 45%. 55% for this color of a car actually matches really well. The front windshield, as you can see, is one big piece, so a lot of UV rays and heat comes through that window, so he did have us use the lightest shade so that it doesn't impair driving or visibility, but at the same time maximizes the heat rejection that you get throughout the entire line with Spectra Photosync, the highest heat blocking window film in this entire industry. Now, as far as the PPF is concerned, every single panel on this car is done, and it makes it really involved for the turbo, especially for the turbo, because what normally would be black plastic on these trim pieces, they're all gloss black, and so all of those need to be protected. Now let's go through some panels on here so that I can show you what's more difficult on this car and actually give you a comparison of how we do it as opposed to if this was done as a pre-cut template. So let's start with the front bumper. This front bumper is quite deceivingly difficult in the sense that it looks simple, but there are a lot of compound curvature and sharp angles up front that makes it difficult. Where there would normally be a joining seam right over here, if it was a pre-cut template, you can see there are no joining seams over here. We brought the film right up to the panel edge. This is a one-piece custom installation, and where it really matters also is this area right over here, this ridge that dips in quite sharply. If it was a pre-cut template, you would probably get a relief opening right over there or joining seams. You can see this part right here right now is fully protected and there are no seams in there, nor over here or any of the edge or panel corners. Basically what we do is if there is room to wrap, we will wrap. If not, we will bring the film right up to the panel edge so that it looks like there's no film on there, which is the ultimate goal for any kind of paint protection film installation. Now, as we move back to the side on the doors, this is actually a little bit challenging in the sense that you have these parts right over here, in addition to the door panel that we have to do separately. But on the Porsches in general, or cars where the mirrors sit on the door, you would normally get a seam inside over here. As you can see, this is one piece without joining or relief openings. And same thing with the mirrors, is made to be as seamless as possible so that you get maximum protection. And we did the door handles as well, and behind the door handles you don't get any openings, so that essentially it looks like there's no film on here at all. Now, after PPF was installed throughout this entire car, we also protected it with ceramic coating. We topped it off so that you get added protection from UV and also from the environment. So essentially this entire car is protected now, and this owner can drive it with a peace of mind. Such a gorgeous color, and I know this customer will be very happy with the results now that he could just take it home and drive it without worrying about all rocks and scratches throughout the entire car just from normal driving. So guys, I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and until the next one, see you soon.